In this video, let us have the conduction of third configuration which is open delta. Already we have seen the circuit connectivity in the previous video. Now let us see the conduction for open delta. So coming to the procedure, first after seeing all the connectivity, we will switch on the supply. So once the supply is switched on, we can have a look at the no load readings. V1 is 411, I1 is 0.13, V2 is 222, I2 is 0.02. Now gradually we will go on applying the load in steps. So here we have the resistive load bank of 10 amperes. Let us apply the load in equal number of steps. Initially, let me operate this bank switch and switch on switch on two knobs over here. So we have applied 2 amperes currently. So after applying 2 amperes, let us note down the reading of all the instruments. So V1 will be 408, I1 will be 1.76, V2 is 214, I2 is 3.04, and we'll note down W1, W2, W3 and W4 wattmeter readings. And the readings that we have got here are 240 watts, 400 watts, 260 watts and 190 watts. Similarly, next we will gradually increase the load by switching on another 2 knobs of the resistive bank. So we will be applying 4 amperes here, and again we will repeat the same. We will note down the meter readings. V1 408 volts, I1 3.28, V2 209, I2 5.87. And coming to the wattmeter readings, W1, W2, W3 and W4, we have 560 watts, 750 watts, 510 watts and 390 watts. Similarly, in the next step we will be applying 6 amperes and then 8 amperes and finally 10 amperes. And in each case we will be noting down all the meter readings, say V1, I1, V2, I2, W1, W2, W3 and W4. Then once we have noted down all the meter readings, we remove the load in steps. So once the load is completely removed, we will switch off the supply and let us see the calculations part in the next video. So coming to the calculation part, here we will have to calculate efficiency and regulation. Formula for efficiency is output power by input power into 100. Regulation, no load voltage minus full load voltage divided by no load voltage into 100. So output power is nothing but W3 plus W4. Input power W1 plus W2, taking into account the wattmeter constants. So that will give us the efficiency. Similarly, we calculate the regulation, no load voltage minus full load voltage divided by no load voltage into 100. So coming to the specific specimen calculation for one of the readings, we have W3 as 260, W4 as 190 and W1 as 240 and W2 as 400. In this particular case, we are getting 1800 divided by 1870. So this gives us an efficiency of 96.2%. Similarly, we calculate the regulation given by no load voltage, which is 215, full load voltage 212 divided by no load voltage 215. If you calculate, we will be getting 1.39%. Similarly, efficiency and regulation will be calculated for each and every reading, and this completes open delta calculations.